All right, this is the 2017 free response question from the AB Calculus test. This is question number 3, part A. So the stem of the question says the function f is differentiable on the closed interval from -6 to 5 and satisfies f of -2 is 7. So this is super important. This is an ordered pair that we get from the original function f. The graph of f prime, which is what this little fella is here, the derivative of f consists of a semicircle and 3 line segments as shown in the figure above. Find the values of f of -6 and f of 5. Well, the question that I was asked is about f of -6. In order to figure out what f of -6 is, this is the original function, which we don't have. We just have the derivative. We need to integrate f prime, this graph here, from -6 to some number. Now, it can be any number that we choose, but we want it to be a number in which we know what the y value is for the original function. So I'm going to choose -2. So if we integrate from -6 to -2, that's what we see here, that's this blue part, that should be equal to, according to the fundamental theorem of calculus, the antiderivative of f prime, which is f, evaluated at the top number, minus the antiderivative of f prime, which is f, evaluated at the bottom number. This is the fundamental theorem of calculus. It's the most important theorem. Well, how do we know that this how do we know that this is 4? Well, the area under this curve, this is a triangle. It's 4 by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. It's half of that because it's a triangle, so it's 4. How do we know this is f of -2? Or, pardon me, how do we know that f of -2 is 7? We are told that right here. So here we have this equation, and we only have one variable, f of -6, which is what we're trying to figure out. If we subtract 7 from both sides, we get this, divide both sides by -1, we get f of -6 is 3.